Right Price Roofing, where you start. The little company with a big, big heart.
What is up, everybody? It's Mike Mahoney with Right Price Roofing. I was doing a standard roof inspection for a nice gentleman, and I noticed this tree is actually growing into the power to his house. So I'm taking care of it. I'm gonna knock this out. But that's the importance of regular roof inspections, regular roof health inspections. You have no idea what could be happening. If this tree kept growing, it would knock out power to the house. It'd get bad. It would be really bad. But I've cleaned off his entire roof. I'm taking care of these trees. The important thing is that the homeowner is getting taken care of. And that's what we do here. Right price, right roof, right people.